Hey everyone, I'm back in the valley because of course I am. I needed to come down and see if I could button up at least the majority of the van. I've been working out here this morning and last night. So yeah, well, let me just show you what I've got done. So I've taken everything out. I had the bed platform in place just so that I could make sure everything was where it needed to be and aligned and level and all of that stuff. My Tochta mattress is shipped and on its way, so that's exciting. That was way faster than they tell you to expect it. So this side has been insulated and buttoned up. This is basically finished, this side here. This side I still have open. I'm working on the wiring, finishing that up so that I can insulate it and close it up. This is the wiring for the under cabinet light, which is a little version of this one, touch sensitive with a night light. So this will run inside the cabinet and then I'll wire it somehow. This is the exterior lighting, which is running to a lit switch through here. You know, I wasn't sure about using a lit switch because they're annoying, but it occurred to me that I don't want to leave the exterior light on without knowing it. So I've got the lit switch there. I haven't put it into the panel yet. You see over here, I've got this USB port that I've put into the filler panel. I haven't installed this into the panel yet because I'm not positive this is the switch I want to use. I might do a rocker switch so that it's closer to the wall with that sticking out. I'm not sure if I want it sticking out or not, but we'll see. Anyway, so far things are working the way they're supposed to. I'm going to finish off the insulation in here, and then I finish the insulation off on this side. But everything is kind of in place. I've got all my screw caps in. I did that last night before it got too dark. I got a replacement rear light since mine was broken, so when I open the doors, I'll at least have some light inside the back of the van. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to keep it, but it just peeks out with the roof and the ceiling in place, so that's good. The fan, the Fantastic fan, will go up here. That'll be a challenge for another day because not only do I have to cut the top of the van, I have to cut a hole in these, and I have to have a way of securing these together prior to doing that, since this panel here only has 2 screws and this one will be gone because it'll get cut off right about here. So this panel won't stay in place with 1 screw, so I need to attach it to the adjacent ceiling panels. So I have some aluminum strip that I can attach each of those to and keep them in place. I have to make sure that it'll hide underneath the trim for the fan. But again, that's not something I need immediately. I can tackle that later when the dust has settled, so to speak. But yeah, things are moving right along. You know, it's just, I thought about taking the van up to the cabin and doing this work there, but it's really just too cold to do any work. Down here in the valley, it's in the 70s during the day. And, you know, it doesn't get any better than that for trying to get this stuff done. So I'm just going to stay here for a while, see how much I can get finished. And if I can get most of it done and in place, then it'll be roadworthy and I can drive it up if I want to. But I'll figure that out later. Anyway, I just wanted to give you a quick update on where we stand. Things are coming together nicely, and it looks like a mess right now, but it'll look a lot better soon. So I will show you that, and till next time, have a great day.